What's going on, everybody? My name is Heavy Duty, and I want to welcome you all to Beats Live with Heavy Duty, episode number 3. Okay? So, for this episode, I want to take it back to my childhood, and I want to sample something that I heard a lot around the house as a kid. It's by an artist named Pat Metheny, and this is something that my dad used to play all the time. He honestly still plays it all the time, and it has a lot of cool sounds in it, and it's really, really well played music. So I figured I would take a little sample of that and see what I could roll with. Okay, with the interest of keeping things nice and short, I got the song here. So this is the song I'm sampling. It's called "Have You Heard," and it's about 6 minutes long. I'm not going to play too much of it for you, and the sound of it changes quite a bit. So just wanted to give you a quick little play. So what I did in MPC here is I slowed it down, and I just took a couple small little segments, and I'm using that for my beat. Okay, let me show you what I got here. So here's the pace I put it at. So you can hear it's quite a bit slower. So yeah, I'm rolling with this. So I made a kit with that. The two segments I got are these. So I got that, and I got that. I really like that one. That's nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I also matched the tempo already. It is 109.5. Here we go. Keep it moving. Just a little one. Sometimes all you gotta add is one little thing. I like that. I like the way that sounds. This time I want to try to maybe do a second sequence. Let me go to sequence 2, and I'm going to go back down to track 1 to the Pat Metheny sample, because I remember I sampled 2 things. So I'm going to see if I can make something out of this. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it might be cool to have a transition in the beat, you know? So I guess mid-beat, I'm changing the tempo to 110.2 from 109.5 because I realized after making that, or using that loop, that it's not quite on. But it still sounds good. Oh yeah. think it'll be cool to have a little variation. I don't know what you guys think about that. Interesting. I'm gonna copy sequence 1, which I like, over to sequence 3. Okay, so now we got this in sequence 3. But what I'm gonna do, so yeah, I'm just gonna take the other sample that I took from the Pat Metheny sound, and I'm gonna replace it with that initial one and see what it sounds like. All right. So here's the original, and here's what it sounds like when I replace it with the other one. So yeah, now I'm just gonna kind of wrap this up. I'm gonna arrange it in a format that I can write to on Thursday, and then we're gonna call it a beat. It's gonna be all done. All right. All right. I think we got that. Yeah, this should be cool. Pretty sure that's it, man. And then I got these guys on the side. I'm mostly rocking with this. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and call that a beat. So that's going to conclude episode 3 of Beats Live with Heavy Duty. If you like what you heard, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any content when I come out with new material, you guys. And make sure you leave a comment and inspire this verse that I'm going to be writing on Thursday, okay? I'm going to see you guys in a couple of days. Stay creative. I'm going to see you next time.